Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Gaana app on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Start off by open up your Play Store for your Android. Go to the search box at the top and tap it on type in Gaana. In the search box and make your search, you'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top of the screen. If you give it a tap for the information about the app will revealed on the display. To quickly download the application for your Android, tap on the install button in green right beneath the application or right beside it. Wait until your app gets downloaded for your Android. It will only take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Gaana is one of the non-stop music streaming made in India. Is an app for all of your music needs. It offers you free unlimited online access to all of your favorite Hindi songs, Bollywood music, Nepali songs and post-pre songs as well. Once the application gets downloaded and is ready for use, you should be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap in order to launch your app open. That is how you can easily download the Gaana application for your Android device. Simply go ahead and enter your phone number or log in with one of your social media network social sites, or log in with your Facebook, Google or email address. And that is how you can easily download Gaana application for your Android device, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up or did action with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.